Thank you, Wamboi, for that wonderful introduction. It's truly an honor to be here today, and good morning to you all. As she said, James Mulatia, and I'll be presenting today on an innovation that Group Access has developed called Vaccibox, which is solar-powered medical item refrigerator. I don't know whether I should share my screen.
In a few, and probably you can raise your voice so we can be able to hear you, Engineer James.
Okay. Sorry for that. I hope you can hear me well now.
Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful.
Okay, thank you so much. So it's really an honor to be here today, and very excited to explain to you what we have developed at Group Access Limited, which is a portable solar refrigerator that can be used for portable use to ferry and to store medical items such as vaccines, drugs, and other items such as lab samples to off-grid areas, hard to reach areas, and also areas that experience a weak grid, and how that can contribute to improving the supply chain for pharmaceutical industry in Kenya. Yes, let me just share my screen. I hope you can all see my screen.
Yes, we can see it.
Thank you so much. So our product is Vaccibox, and with Vaccibox, we are bridging the cold chain gaps in healthcare. So Drop Access Limited is a youth-led and women-led social enterprise that innovates, develops, and locally manufactures solar cold chain technologies for use in healthcare and other industries. And we are on a mission to provide customized, affordable, and sustainable cold storage solutions to bridge the cold chain gaps in Africa. So our product, Vaccibox, is a portable solar-powered vaccine refrigerator for use in the health industry and has inbuilt real-time monitoring and stock management. So what this means is that with this fridge can relay performance metrics to a cloud-based platform, and is also used to manage inventory through a mobile application and a backend platform. Now, last year we carried out a small-scale pilot with 2 rural and off-grid health facilities, one in Makueni County and another in Kajiado County. And from this, we were really able to gain first-hand insights from healthcare workers and administrators in both public and private health facilities in Kenya. And with these insights, we were able to really hunker down on our design and improve it to create a version 2 of Vaccibox, which is what we are looking at here. So this design is more robust and it meets the needs of health workers and administrators. And what makes Vaccibox special is that firstly, it automatically maintains the cold chain 24/7, and it does this without requiring any inputs from the user or the healthcare worker. And it can maintain the temperature from +2 to +8 degrees Celsius. And what enables it to do this is that it can be powered by various sources. For example, solar, supplied with a solar panel, which is easy to carry alongside the fridge. It also has inbuilt battery storage, which enables it to run at night and also when there is low solar resource. And for those places with reliable grid power, it can also be powered through AC. Secondly, Vaccibox enables access to vaccines and other medical items, that is to rural areas, places with a weak grid, places that are totally off-grid and hard to reach areas. And this is mainly enabled by the fact that it's a portable fridge. It can be easily mounted on a bicycle, a motorbike, or even a boat, and to reach those last mile needs for the supply chain gaps that we experience. And
I apologize, Engineer Mulatia. There are a lot of comments in the chat that people can't hear you. Is there a way you can increase the volume on your computer, your mic volume, or your own volume?
Okay, let me try to do that. Is it any better now?
Yes, it is much better.
Okay, thank you so much. I'll just go a few pages back. Okay, so Vaccibox is a portable solar-powered vaccine refrigerator for use in the healthcare industry that has inbuilt real-time monitoring and stock management. And this means that this fridge takes performance metrics to a cloud-based platform and can also be used to manage inventory such as drugs and other medical items that are being stored in the fridge and also issued from the fridge. And last year we did a small-scale pilot with 2 rural and off-grid health facilities in Kenya, one in Makueni County and another one in Kajiado County. And from this, we were really able to gain important insights from health workers and health administrators. And this has helped us to improve on our design, and we've actually come up with a version 2 based on this feedback. So this is our version 2 fridge. It is more robust and meets the requirements of the healthcare workers and also the health industry. And what makes this fridge special is that it maintains the cold chain 24/7, and it does this automatically without needing any inputs from the user. And that eliminates a lot of errors that can happen with from user inputs. So we can maintain the temperature from +2 to +8 degrees Celsius. And this can also be achieved because the fridge can be powered from a number of sources. It can be powered through solar and is supplied with a solar panel that is easy to carry alongside the fridge. It also has inbuilt battery storage, which enables it to run throughout the night and when there is low solar resource. And also for those areas with reliable grid power, it can also be connected to the AC grid. Secondly, Vaccibox enables vaccines and other medical items to reach off-grid areas and far off to reach areas, and also even urban areas, because it can be used for cold chain logistics. And this is mostly enabled due to its portability. It can be easily carried on a bicycle, a motorbike, or even a boat, and it is also lightweight. Thirdly, Vaccibox enables real-time stock management of medical items. So whatever has been put into the fridge, this can also be uploaded onto the mobile application. You can put in the name of the drug, the expiry date, the batch number, and also the quantity. That way it can be automatically updated in our database. And also when these drugs are being issued, the same data can be captured so that the database is automatically updated. And fourthly, Vaccibox enables real-time monitoring of cold chain performance. So when the healthcare worker is looking at the mobile application, they can be able to look at the temperature inside the fridge, the voltage in the battery, whether it is charging or discharging. They can be able to pinpoint where the fridge is at any one time, and they can also tell whether the door is open or closed. And the good thing about this real-time monitoring is that in case any of these parameters are outside the desired range, for example, if the temperature goes beyond 8 degrees, the user will get an alert on the mobile application telling them that they should take action to remedy this, because maybe they forgot to close the door well, and they can remedy that. And also on our side, the drop access team can also see these alerts, and we can be able to alert the health facility or the pharmacy that there's something happening in the fridge and that they should fix it. And we can also send repair technician to site to repair anything that is going wrong with the fridge. So use cases for Vaccibox are quite wide, mostly due to its versatile and customizable design. It can be used in pharmacies to store and transport drugs that require cold storage, such as insulin. And this is especially important for pharmaceutical companies and their distributors because they can be able to track utilization rates of their drugs and how they are distributed in pharmacies across the country in real time. And this is data that can be very important for distribution and marketing strategies and can really save a lot on resources used in doing market research, because you can easily identify where you need to focus your energies as well as identify potential markets that you need to enter. And this device can also be used in health facilities, even in labs, blood banks, and for field activities such as immunization and blood drives for mobile clinics, cold chain logistics. And the same can be adapted to other industries such as veterinary services, food, domestic SMEs, and so forth. So we have two offerings for Vaccibox. We offer the fridge with the IoT service, IoT meaning remote monitoring, and also stock management. And this is offered at a cash price of 160,000 Kenya shillings. And there's also an option to have this finance for a period of 1 year. So you can pay for the fridge over a period of 1 year and the total price of 200,000. The advantage with this is that once you buy the fridge, you can have the remote monitoring and stock management offered as a value add for a period of 1 year. The other offering is Vaccibox, that is the IoT only, that is remote monitoring and stock management only. And this is mostly for clients who already have reliable cold storage, and all they need is to monitor how their cold storage is performing and also managing the stock levels. And we provide this on a subscription model at 5,000 Kenya shillings, and this is paid monthly, and we offer minimum contract period of 2 years. So we also offer 2-year warranty on all our products, and that enables us to be able to service anything that is going on with the fridges that needs repair. And also the advantage with this is that because of the remote monitoring, we'll actually be able to identify when there's an issue with the fridge even before the user is aware, because we're also receiving these alerts on our side. And because we are local manufacturers, we have service parts available with us. We can easily repair the fridges without having any downtime and maintaining the supply chain. So we are rolling out these products towards the end of this month, and we are currently taking pre-orders. So I urge you to go to our website, dropaccess.org/. People and institutions such as MGA Award. As Wambui said, we are one of Africa Prize by the Royal Academy of Engineering, and we also supported by Acumen Angels to carry out large-scale pilots for Vaccibox. And we've also had the pleasure of being featured on several media outlets, for example, BBC, Associated Press, the Standard, Daily Nation, and more recently on the International Women's Day, our CEO and founder Nora Magero was recognized by His Excellency President Uhuru Kenyatta for her work with Vaccibox and Drop Access. and her contribution towards climate change in Kenya. So that's something that we are really proud of, and has given us
James?
energy to push. Sorry?
Can you hear us?
Yes.
Hello, Engineer James, can you hear us? Oh, wonderful,
Yes.
wonderful. Hope you're able to, hope you're winding up. Hope you're winding up.
Yes, I'm winding up.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is a part of our team. We have people in engineering, R&D, healthcare, finance and business development, and also advisors. So thank you so much. These are the SDGs that Drop Access Limited is contributing to. Again, I urge you to visit our website, get in touch with us so we can get these conversations going. That's dropaccess.org. Thank you so much.